Once again, welcome to all of you and a very good morning to all of you. Today we have discussed the one more example of theorem every rational function is continuous. In my previous video, we have already discussed that modulus function is continuous. Second one, every polynomial function is continuous. Or algebra of continuous. Algebra of continuous is that if f and g are continuous functions at x equal to a, then f plus g is continuous at x equal to a, f minus g continuous, f into g and f by g, but g a not equal to 0. So these functions are also continuous at x equal to a. Here we have to discuss every polynomial function, every rational function, every rational function is continuous. So rational function fx equal to px by qx, where qx not equal to 0 and p and q are px and qx are polynomial functions. आप लोग जानते हैं every polynomial function is continuous function at any point. So we know that every polynomial function is continuous at every point. So that is therefore px and qx are continuous functions. इससे तो ये प्रूव हुआ कि px और qx अलग अलग कंटिन्यूस है. क्यों है? क्योंकि वो दोनों ही पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन है. बट वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट fx इज continuous function. fx is the px by qx. So using that rule, if p and q are continuous, f and g are continuous, then f by g. और हम ये पहले बता चुके हैं qx आपका 0 नहीं है. So therefore by algebra of continuous px by qx जो कि किसके इक्वल है, दैट इज द इक्वल टू fx ag also continuous. Similar, on the basis of this theorem we will explain some more conditions or some more questions. First is that sine function is the continuous function, cosine function is the continuous, tangent function, cot functions, these are also continuous functions. So first we shall discuss sine function is a continuous function. Sine function is a continuous function. So sine function fx equal to sine x. Suppose we will check the continuity of this function at x equal to a. So we will find its right hand limit of the function at x equal to a. So this is limit x is tending to a plus sine x. So this becomes साइन. हम आपको एक बता है, सभी लोग आपको साइन फंक्शन का ग्राफ जानते हैं कैसा होता है. किसी भी आप देख रहे होंगे, विदाउट लिफ्टिंग द पेन फ्रॉम द पेपर और फ्रॉम द बोर्ड वी कैन कंटिन्यूअसली ड्रॉ द ग्राफ ऑफ फंक्शन. सो दिस इज ए कंटिन्यूअस फंक्शन. तो ये तो ग्राफ से हो गया. हम मैथमेटिकली भी वेरीफाई कर लेते हैं। सिमिलर लिमिट x is tending to a minus fx equal to limit x is tending to a minus fx is sin x again, so this is sin a, and the value of function at x equal to a, this is also sin a. So it means sine function is always a continuous function. Similar, cosine function is also a continuous function. Tangent, tan can be written as sine by cos. Sine function always continuous. Cos, sine by cos. Sine is called continuous. Cos is also continuous function. And by using the algebra of continuity, if f and f are continuous, if f is continuous, g is continuous, then f by g, so sine by cos is also continuous, except those points where their denominator is 0. उन पॉइंटों को इंक्लूड नहीं करेंगे, उन पॉइंटों पर फंक्शन टेन फंक्शन कंटिन्यूअस नहीं होगा जहां पर cos की वैल्यू 0, क्योंकि cos कहां पर आ रहा है, डिनोमिनेटर में। तो टेन फंक्शन भी कैसे हो जाएगा, कंटिन्यूअस हो जाएगा विद द हेल्प ऑफ अलजेब्रा ऑफ कंटिन्यूअस। नाउ वी शैल डिस्कस वन मोर theorem, more important theorem regarding that. Theorem is that suppose f and g are continuous. F and g are two functions defined as f of g is also defined f is continuous, f is g is continuous, g is continuous at c, and f is continuous at GC, then f of g is continuous at x equal to c. बहुत ही इजी, हम एक तो एग्जांपल डिस्कस करेंगे। f of g, what is f of g? f of g is the composition of f and g. F of g is the composition of f and g. So we will easily find the composition of two functions that I have already discussed in chapter number 1. Now this is continuous at this point and f is continuous at this point. It means this is also a continuous at the point x equal to c. Now we shall discuss one example. Example is that fx equal to sin x square. Sin x square, we have to check that this we have to discuss the continuity of the function fx equal to sin x square. So let gx equal to x square and hx equal to sin x. Here both, what is x, what is gx? Gx equal to x square and gx is the polynomial function, and we have already discussed that every polynomial function is the continuous function. So gx is continuous, hx is sin x, and And we have already discussed sine function, cosine function, tangent function, cot function. They are also continuous functions. So gx and hx both are continuous. Since gx equal to x square is a polynomial function and hx equal to sin x is a sine function, and we know both are gx and hx are continuous. Gx and hx both are continuous. So by using that rigid, what is the rigid? H of g of x, composition of h and g, composition of h and g क्या बनेगा? h of gx, h of gx, h of gx क्या है? What is gx? Gx is x square. So this is hx square. What is the value of hx square? Hx equal to sin x. So this becomes sin x, and this is equal to fx. Hence, by that theorem, hence fx is also continuous. Similarly, we can discuss one more example related on that theorem. fx equal to mod 1 minus x plus mod x. Mod 1 minus, first let gx equal to 1 minus x plus mod x, hx equal to only mod x. Gx, this is polynomial function, this is modulus function. Polynomial function is always continuous, modulus function is always continuous. So their sum with the algebra of continuous, दो फंक्शन अगर अलग अलग कंटिन्यूस है तो उनका सम और एडिशन भी कैसा होगा? कंटिन्यूस होगा. So gx is continuous. hx always 0 because this is a modulus function and every modulus function is a continuous function. So by using that theorem, first we will find the composition of h of g of x. So this is equal to h of gx, h of gx की वैल्यू हमारी क्या है? gx से हमारा 1 minus x plus mod x. This is an element. This work as a element for the function h, or hx equal to mod x. So this is equal to mod 1 minus x plus mod x, and this is equal to fx. Hence fx is continuous by the theorem of composite function. So here we have discussed how will you recognize that function is continuous, the definition of continuity by function is continuous if its left hand limit equal to right hand limit and the value of function at that point, and some more examples and theorems related to every modulus function is continuous. Second one, every polynomial function is continuous. Third, every rational function is continuous. Sine function is always continuous. Cosine function, tangent function, and one more theorem related to composite function. And these are two examples related to composite function. So thanks to all everybody, and we shall discuss some more important questions or exercise 5.1. So thanks to all once again for watching this video. So thank you all.